Class 8, Subject English, Poem 3.1, Why, Chit Chat and English Workshop. Chit Chat 1. Why do we ask questions? Answer. Asking question is the simplest and most effective way of learning. It develops the curiosity, and so we ask questions to get information and gain knowledge. 2. Do we get answers of all questions? Answer. Most of the time we get answers to all questions, but sometimes we don't get an answer if our question is confusing, difficult or logical. 3. How are questions useful in our life? Answer. Many great thinkers embrace the idea of constantly questioning, as it helps us getting into the habit of self-reflection. It helps to gain information and knowledge. It also helps us to make someone speak and start conversation. So they are important to gain knowledge and also start communication with others. 4. Do we think critically without questions? Answer. If someone puts questions in front of us, we start thinking critically before answering. We never think critically unless and until questions are asked. 5. Which 5 WH words are used to frame questions? Answer. WH words like what, where, when, why and how are used to frame questions. 1. Many why questions of your childhood must have been answered by now, yet you may want to know the why of many facts. Write down 5 such questions based on reason or cause. One is done for you. For example, why do penguins live only in polar region? Answer. 1. Why do we study English? 2. Do wild animals live in the forest? 3. Why is there no ice in a desert? 4. Why don't we visit all the countries in our life? 5. Why should we help only the poor and not the rich? 6. Why can't the sea see? 2. Insert the proper question words to complete the questions to get the expected answer given in the brackets. How, when, where, what, who, whose, which, why. 1. What is the capital of Maharashtra? Answer. Mumbai. 2. Where is your school located? Your school location. 3. When is your examination going to begin? Next Monday. 4. How does old man walk? Slowly. 5. Which color is your favorite? Blue. 6. Who teaches you English? Your teacher name. 7. Why are you late to school? My bicycle got punctured on my way to school. 8. Whose pen have you borrowed? Aman's. Question 1. Read the poem, discuss and complete the following blanks with proper action words. Verbs: wood, swim, marbles, sink, stars, shine, winds, blow, sun, sink, flowers, die, ocean, ebbs, fish, swim, rain, fall, ice, melt, bees, sting. Question 2. Discuss in pairs and write the rhyming pairs of words from the poem. Answer. 1. Boy, why? 2. Why, by? 3. sink, drink. 4. Sky, die. 5. Nose, flows. 6. Fly, sky. Question 3. Why this? Why that? Why then? Why now? Why not? Why, by, and by. In these two lines, the word why is repeated, so it is a figure of speech called repetition. Now, find out the lines from the poem which show repetition. Answer: why pop guns should go pop and why the ocean ebbs and flows. Question 4. Complete the web diagram. The boy wants to know why ice should melt, why spider eat the flies, why bees should sting, why the yeast should make the dough to rise. Question 5. Complete the following blanks from the poem. Pair activity. Words from the poem related to environment: wind, flowers, clouds, sky, stone, stars. Words from the poem related to animals: fruits, insects, spiders, apple core, seeds, sting, flies, fish. Question 6. Imagine a senior student from your school has won a national level quiz contest. Frame 8 to 10 interview question that you would ask when you interview him or her at the school assembly about the achievement. Answer the following questions from part of interview with a senior student who has won a national level quiz contest. 1. Congratulations for your great success. How do you feel after winning such a contest? 2. Have you received such recognition before? Please give details. 3. Who has inspired you to take part in such quiz contest? 4. What were the reactions of your family to this achievement? 5. Who else would you give credit of your success? 6. How did you prepare for this quiz? 7. What is your plan for the future? 8. Which books did you refer to this contest? 9. Who helped you to make your dream come true? 10. What is the role of our school in your achievement? Word chain. Complete the word chain. For example, eat, tiger, run, nose, easy. Answer: 1. Sky, yak, kind, deer, report. 2. Cloud, duck, king, gun, naughty. 3. Wind, deep, pray, yawn. 4. Star, ration, nation, nut. 5. Why, yell, love, eager.